All right, prime time. This is the video to find our winner for our consolation 16 by 20. These are the names that did not win. So the winners, all of their spots were removed. Even the ones that didn't win were removed from this list. So this is just the non-winning list here. So we'll check the time as May 12th. And we'll let this roll over here to 6:47. And we're going to go live. We have May 12th at 6:47 p.m. Okay, again, here's our list. We're down to 33 entries here that did not win. So this is the dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, 6 times. Here we go. Good luck. Looking for whoever's on top after the final roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Paulie spot. Well, whatever spot that was. 46, 41, whatever. Paulie, you're the winner of the NFL 16 by 20. So we will open that tonight when we do our other breaks here. So check our verification code and our timestamp. Once again, May 12th, 6:47 p.m. That's it, guys. We'll see you at 9.